Well, with vocabulary, I think the main thing which is driving our choices is thinking about, again, what vocabulary you need to have the conversations that we want the students to have, and alongside that, what are the most frequent words, basically. So we have stuck, particularly at the lower levels, to the kind of top 3,000 words in spoken and written English, and focused on those because those are the most common words, and so they're going to be the words which one presumes that the students will need most. A lot of books don't necessarily consider just how many times students need to see vocabulary in order for them to learn it. Most kind of evidence or research you see in these things talk about between 6 and 11 times, sometimes more. And so if you're just presenting a set of vocabulary and then you never see it again, well, the students just basically aren't going to learn it. So the way the course is structured, we very much focus on revising and recycling vocab. First, we teach it often in a kind of little group of words, as many courses do. But there'll often be visuals to help them with that, or extra context for students to be encouraged to guess the meanings of words. So there's a lot of support in terms of on the page in terms of learning the meanings of words. Then we make sure that they practice it, so they get another hit there. And then what we have is a further book called the Outcomes Vocabulary Builder. And what we've done there is to take those keywords and give them, there's usually a short explanation of the meaning, which again is further support for both teacher and student in class. And then they have 5 or 6 common collocations with those words. And what that does is that they're seeing how the word is used, because again, often the problem is they learn a single word, but then they don't know what word should go with it. And so they're getting that in the vocabulary builder. But at the same time, because we're having lots of these collocations, some of those collocations will reappear in other sections of the vocabulary builder. Then we have a final exercise page where they practice some of the key words again. The words reappear often in, we use them in the grammar sections, so we're ensuring that they're seeing it there. We're consciously recycling them in the listenings and the readings, and not just in the unit that we're teaching those words initially, but throughout the book, and in fact throughout the series. I mean, because some of the topics do cross over from book to book. We're very conscious of also teaching some of the words, making sure that they're recycled from book to book. So it's not just within the individual course or an individual unit.